Aaron likes precision handling cars that not everybody else is driving, like his Noble and Lotus. He enjoys cruising, road race, and autocross. His new Ultima RS is now on the water headed to California. The Ultima is equipped with a 900 horse rated Porsche transaxle, and he's pairing it with this 750 horse aluminum LS. He wanted his LS to have CNC precision with all parts purpose selected for performance, reliability, ease of use, and tuned for 91 octane. The parts in this short block can all handle way more power, and that's how Aaron wants it. The FuelTech engine management system brings a powerful ECU, robust harness, and integrated display. The top end features a comp hydraulic roller cam, Isky lifters, comp BSR shaft rockers, Beery custom CNC ported all-pro heads, fast LSXR intake manifold, and a Nick Williams 103mm billet throttle body. Aaron expects it'll take 400 hours to get his Ultima on the road and plans to make that happen within 1 year. Stay tuned for updates and good luck, Aaron.